Saga. My name is Princess. I'm going to be occupational therapist today. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Good. So today we're going to do an assessment. It's called the Jebsen hand function test. And the purpose of this assessment is to basically assess your overall hand function, your coordination, as well as your dexterity. And it's usually administered to children and adults like over 5 years old, and can be used to assess if you have a hand impairment or not. Okay? Do you have any questions so far before we begin?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. We can start with the first portion. I'm going to give you this clipboard right here. Okay, now take this pen in your left hand. We're going to start with your non-dominant and arrange everything so that it is comfortable for you to write with your left hand. On the other side of this paper is a sentence. When I turn this card over and say go, write the sentence as quickly and clearly as you can using your left hand. Write, do not print. So write in cursive. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. You're doing good. Great. Okay. Now, all right, we're going to repeat the same thing, only this time using your right hand. I'll give you a different sentence. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Okay. Okay, we're done with this. Okay, we're going to proceed with this one right here. Okay. Place your left hand on the table, please. When I say go, use your left hand to turn these cards over one at a time as quickly as you can, beginning with this card. Ready. You may turn them over in any way you wish, and they need not be in a neat pattern when you finish. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Go. Okay, we're going to do that again. Okay. Now repeat the same thing with the right hand, beginning with this card right here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Okay, so we're done with this one. Now I'm going to place this can in the center of you. And I'm going to make sure this is 5 inches away from the table. Okay. Now I'm going to place this object next to that can. Now I want you to place your left hand on the table, please. When I say go, use your left hand to pick up these objects one at a time and place them in the can as fast as you can, beginning with this one. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. to begin?
Mhm.
Ready? Go. Okay. We are done with this one. Now I'm going to use a clamp board for the next subtest. Bring this over. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay. And we need to make sure that the clamp board is 5 inches away from the table. Okay, perfect. I'm going to place this one right here in the center. What I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to place these beans up against this. Take the teaspoon in your left hand, please. When I say go, use your left hand to pick up these beans one at a time with a teaspoon and place them in the can as fast as you can, beginning with this one. Right here. Do you understand?
Mhm.
Ready? Go. Okay. Now we're going to take the beans and put it on the other side. Stick it in the center. Now repeat the same thing with the right hand, beginning here.
Mhm.
Ready? Go. Okay. Now we're with the teaspoon. This next one, I'm going to place the checkers right here. Now I want you to place your left hand on the table. Okay. When I say go, use your left hand to stack these checkers on the board in front of you as fast as you can, one on top of the other, like this. Okay. You may begin with any checker. You understand?
Mhm.
Okay. Ready?
Mhm.
Go. Okay. Now we're going to do it again, but with your right hand. Ready?
Mhm.
Go. Okay. We are done with that. Now I'm going to take these, line it up here. Ooh, sorry. Okay. I want you to place your left hand on the table, please. When I say go, use your left hand to stand these cans on the board in front of you like this. Okay?
Mhm.
Now I want you to start with this can. Do you understand?
Mhm.
Ready? Go. Great. Okay. Okay, now the same thing with the right hand, beginning with here. You ready?
Mhm.
Go. Okay. Now we are done with this. We're going to replace it with a heavier hands. Okay. Now do the same thing with these heavier cans. Place your left hand on the table. When I say go, use your left hand to stand these cans on the board as fast as you can. Begin here. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Go. Okay. Now repeat the same thing with your right hand beginning here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Okay. Great. That concludes the portion of our assessment portion. I'm going to go ahead and look over your scores, and then shortly I'm going to explain the scores to you, okay? Thank you. Okay, Ms. Gonzaga, after reviewing your scores, it looks as though that everything, all your scores are within normal limits, and you were able to complete all your subtests quickly, and I didn't see any deficits on both of your hands. So I don't recommend any OT for you, and you can go about your ways.
Thanks.
You have any questions with what we did?
Nope.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day.